What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to unblock an IP address, how to unblock a person from accessing your site. Sometimes when you install Wordfence, a security WordPress plugin, the plugin auto blocks some users from your site. How to unblock this user, okay? First part is contact the user and ask for the IP address. What is the IP address? It's your internet protocol address. You can go to Google and search for what is my IP address. Google gonna tells you. After, get these IP addresses and go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus until you find Wordfence. Hover a mouse over it and click on firewall, okay? Just like this. Once on firewall, we have two tabs right here, firewall and blocking. Go to blocking. Once on blocking, you're going to be able to find all the blocked accounts, the date, the reason why the blocked happens, okay? And the unblock date. You can search for the IP address, just like this, on the filter. Go to filter, here is the block that I would like to unblock. And as you can see, the block count is 7. Last attempt on July 2, and you can unblock, okay? So just click right here on unblock. Select the user, just like this, the IP address, and go to unblock. Are you sure to stop blocking the selected IP address? Yes. IP address is now unblocked, so no worries. Now this person gonna be able to access your site again. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.